A Utah Highway Patrol trooper who stopped a drunken driver talks about how he did it. The trooper responded to a call that a car was going the wrong direction on I-15.
Moments later, he came face to face with the woman and hit her head on to keep other drivers safe.
On August 18th, on routine patrol with the Utah Highway Patrol, I was headed southbound on I-15 when I noticed a vehicle going the wrong way with no headlights. It was dark out, which poses an even bigger problem to the motoring public. Eventually, I was able to get my lights turned on, siren turned on, slow the motoring public, and ended up taking the hit with my vehicle, my patrol car, almost at a complete stop. That night, I'm hoping I may have at least saved a life, if not two, by stopping that wrong way vehicle from hitting another person passing by.
That night, a call come across the radio of a wrong way vehicle. I listened to the radio traffic as Trooper Carter positioned himself and took the car head on to protect the public and the other motorists on the road that night.
It's never a pretty situation. Earlier that day, I remember logging on to work, checking KSL, and they had a wrong way driver that was killed, had killed somebody earlier in that day. So it was fresh on my mind, and the dangers are it's like a multiplier in a crash. You got the speed of people going the correct way and the speed of her going the wrong way, which just makes things a lot bigger impact and usually ends in someone not making it home that night.
What Trooper Carter did that night was above and beyond what any typical person would do in that situation. He put his life on the line to save the life of other people. And that's the definition of what a hero is.
I knew if I didn't take action, someone else, I would be having to probably go to someone's door that night and tell them so-and-so is not coming home. I don't consider myself a hero. I consider myself in the right place at the right time. I think any other officer would do the same given that situation.